So this is a bit weird. Welcome to my home. This is my little office. It ain't much, but it's out the way. Stops me missus shouting at me, making a mess everywhere. I did in the video, trying to catch up on the backlog like I promised. But today, I'm going to look into the HONDATA, as you've previously seen. As far as I'm aware, the HONDATA board sits here. I need to put this chip into there. I need to cut these pins and put them across here, and then I need to cut J12, and I think that's it. But because of the USB, what is this? Whatever connector this is, it comes through the case, so I need to cut the case. That's it. Fitted? Not really. So what I want to do is mark the case and roughly where it's going to sit. This is the port. I'm just marking where I need to cut out, but I'm going to need to do that down the unit. So the main reason why I've brought this home today with me is so I can mark that out, take it down the unit, cut it all out, and then bring it back, because it's going to make a mess. And then we're going to get to the technical part where we start soldering all the bits in. I don't want to shout like I shout down the unit, because my missus thinks I'm mad talking to myself anyway. I take all the bolts out the top and one in the middle, so there's 5 at the top. There's 5 at the bottom, and then holding the board in, there's 2, 4, 6 of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 then, I don't know. And then there's a long one here, goes, so that's sat on there, and then that bolt goes through there. You undo that, and it releases it. Now the board seems to be stuck, but does pop off. It does pop off. I think it's just the gel or the lacquer, whatever they use to help protect the board from oxidization, because it's full of copper and solder, and it just slides out. As easy as that. I'm not going to worry too much about the soldering the board today, because I need to set up my my desoldering station, if you call it like that. I've only got my soldering station out. My main plan is to cut that and get it ready to house the plug, and then we'll worry about fitting in the HONDATA in. I'm going to take this down the unit now, and I'm going to cut it all out and get it ready. Marked out what I've got to cut for the plug. Let's go and do it. Voila! And just like that, we're here. Very nice. So I've decided to put some clear coat onto the cases before they start rusting, oxidizing, whatever. You know what I mean? They're old, man. We don't want them being all shitty and that, do we? This is now ready. I'm going to get the grinder, cut that out, and I might even try my new little bench thing that I bought. Give that a go. I'm going to pull the S15 out, give us some room. Grant's on his way down. He's going to be cutting his wheels so we can put the new lips on. But I'll probably end up doing them. We'll see. Hopefully he'll do them. I'm a bit scared of a grinder. Don't tell him I told you. Tyres ready. I think that's all the shit from yesterday. I don't even know if you've seen. I can't remember. But I got the tyres stripped off because these ones are all scrap. I'm going to take them to wheel furb, get them looking fresh. But anyway, back to the plan. Let's cut that out. Listen, I know, it's Fisher Price. I know, look, it's small, but I wanted it for this. Come on, it was £25. You know what I mean? It's £25. Look at it. What do you want? Look, just watch out for that. Come on, you impressed? Be honest with me, man. You impressed? We'll see. But I'm going to cut that with a grinder, and then I'm going to tidy it up with like the Dremel end. Trust me, man, I got this. Look at that. Not bad. Now I'm going to tidy it up with this bit of rock. There we go. I've deburred the sides. Make sure there's no sharp bits. I think that'll do it. I'm going to probably paint this. It does look a bit shitty, don't it? It does look a bit boring. What I ended up doing was just using a grinder, and then just went round it with this just to tidy up, make sure there's no bits of swarf and bits that can blow my ECU up. I'm going to paint that, I think. Yeah, I'm going to paint. What have I done here? I've just scuffed it all up with a bit of wire wool, a little bit of this, and then I'll put a bit of masking tape over the label and just cut around it, so hopefully it'll make a nice finish. What colour should we go? What colour? What colour shall we go? I'm thinking black. Yeah, let's go satin black. Okay, everything is now done. I clear coated the casing and I painted it satin black. I put a dust in a lacquer on, just make it pop a little bit. Even though no one sees it, it's going to be underneath the carpet. But wait, we've got to make it look good anyway, because we know we did it. I'm going to head back home now, and then I'm going to probably jump into the Honda installation. I'm going to do a little bit more research first, and then we'll jump into it. Should be fun. Tune in with you and we're back at the house.